Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. A well-kept lawn deserves sharp, precise edges that elevate its appearance. The best rotary edger ensures clean, defined borders around driveways, sidewalks, and flower beds. Durable and efficient, it's the perfect tool for creating a polished, professional-looking landscape. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BARAYSTUS Rotary Edger. The BARAYSTUS Rotary Edger is a practical and reliable tool designed for homeowners who want to maintain clean, precise edges around sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds. Featuring a new wheeled design, this edger ensures smooth operation as its serrated blades cut through grass and sod with ease, delivering neat landscaping results every time. One of the standout features is its self-sharpening and self-cleaning blades, which means less maintenance and consistent cutting performance without hassle. 30.7, 44.5, and 58.3 inches to suit different user preferences and working conditions. This adjustability makes it a versatile tool, whether you're edging close to flower beds or tackling longer sidewalks. The thicker, reinforced handle tube ensures durability, while its simple assembly makes it user-friendly even for beginners. Cost-effective, sturdy, and efficient, the BARAYSTUS Rotary Edger is an excellent option for keeping lawns tidy and pathways weed-free with minimal effort. Number 2. Walensee Rotary Edger. The Walensee Rotary Edger offers both performance and durability, making it a great choice for homeowners who want precise and reliable lawn edging. Its high-strength alloy steel blades are chrome-plated for enhanced rust resistance and sharpness, ensuring long-lasting cutting power. Designed with a serrated edge, the blades trim grass cleanly and efficiently, allowing you to keep borders and sidewalks looking neat with less effort. The adjustable stainless steel handle further enhances convenience, allowing users to set it to 3 different lengths: 40.2, 54.7, or 69.7 inches, making it comfortable for people of all heights. The reinforced handle design prevents bending and adds longevity, while the soft rubber grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold during use. Strong, adjustable, and user-friendly, the Walensee Rotary Edger is an excellent manual option for keeping your yard perfectly manicured without the need for cords or fuel. Number 3. Colwelt Rotary Edger. The Colwelt Rotary Edger stands out for its eco-friendly design and impressive performance, offering an efficient way to keep lawn edges neat without the noise, cords, or fumes of powered models. Built with convenience in mind, this manual edger is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to use anytime, anywhere. This wide wheel ensures better control and smoother movement, even when cutting through dense or overgrown grass, while its weighty design helps the tool stay aligned along the edge. To add to its durability, the edger features a reinforced metal support bracket that prevents bending and ensures long-lasting strength. The alloy steel serrated blades, finished with a chrome-plated surface, deliver sharp, precise cuts and resist rust for long-term use. Its unique scissor action design allows grass to be caught and cut cleanly between blades, minimizing effort and avoiding clogs. With simple functionality, strong build, and eco-conscious performance, the Colwelt Rotary Edger is a reliable, long-term solution for homeowners who value quiet, effective lawn maintenance. Number 4. YEELOR Rotary Edger. The YEELOR Rotary Edger combines durability, comfort, and efficiency, making it a versatile tool for maintaining sharp lawn edges. The sharp, rust-resistant blades ensure long-term reliability, while the high-strength rubber roller enhances wear resistance and smooth movement. This edger also offers an adjustable handle with 3 different lengths: 58.3, 44.5, and 30.7 inches to suit users of varying heights and preferences, making it adaptable for different trimming needs. Its efficient design allows the serrated wheel to gather and cut grass easily as you push forward, saving time and effort compared to more cumbersome edging methods. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring just 2 steps so you can start edging almost immediately. With its self-cleaning blade function, the YEELOR Rotary Edger reduces maintenance and ensures consistent cutting performance. Easy to use, sturdy, and efficient, this rotary edger is a reliable solution for anyone who wants crisp lawn edges with minimal effort. Number 5. Klarg Rotary Edger. The Klarg Rotary Edger offers a straightforward, cost-effective solution for keeping lawns looking neat and tidy. Designed to trim along sidewalks, paths, and flower beds, its serrated blades cut through grass and sod efficiently, giving a clean and polished finish to your landscape. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, while the simple assembly process means you can start using it right away without hassle. Offering great value for money, the Klarg Rotary Edger proves that you don't need an expensive power tool to achieve professional-looking results. It is both lightweight and sturdy, making it easy to maneuver while still providing the durability needed for regular use. For those seeking a budget-friendly yet effective manual edger, the Klarg is an excellent choice for maintaining sharp, attractive lawn edges. Keep your lawn edges sharp and your landscape looking flawless with the right rotary edger. Each option featured brings durability, ease, and efficiency to your yard work. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for more details and today's best deals. Thanks for watching.